Hey Quackers! Welcome back to Quacky Quiz. Get your brain ready and your eyes focused. Because today we're playing a fun guessing game. So think fast, have fun, and let's start the quiz. In today's quiz, we're playing Would You Rather with a mystery gift. Pick one of the three choices, and make sure you don't get the dud. This is the quiz rules. This quiz consists of 45 questions. You have 10 seconds to answer each question. You can only pick one for each question, so pick carefully. The mystery box can be a nice surprise or a total letdown. But before we start the quiz, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Push it, Quacky. Yes!
Would you rather Stitch sofa, Hello Kitty sofa, or a mystery sofa? Moana sofa feels like a relaxing beach vacation. Would you rather Among Us toilet, Melody toilet, or a mystery toilet? Oh no, I hope the creeper does not explode while you're using it. Can you locate the one thing that is not identical? Incredible! You spotted the exact one that did not belong. Would you rather cloud bed, marshmallow bed, or a mystery bed? Slime bed. Can you even sleep here? Would you rather Lego fireplace, stone fireplace, or a mystery fireplace? It's haunted fireplace, too spooky and full of ghosts to enjoy. Spot the three differences in these seemingly identical photos. Outstanding job! Your eagle eyes totally saved the day. Would you rather Sonic clock, Batman clock, or a mystery clock? It's Spider-Man! That iconic mask design looks amazing. Would you rather nature desk, futuristic desk, or a mystery desk? An awesome melting water glass desk. I know the right answer. Can you find it? Perfect! Your brain power is completely off the charts today. Would you rather ice bathtub, gold bathtub, or a mystery bathtub? Delicious! Who wouldn't want to soak in pure sweet chocolate? Would you rather Peppa Pig wardrobe, Moana wardrobe, or a mystery wardrobe? Transformers wardrobe. Do you have robot clothes here? Pay attention and memorize the spot of each card. Show the door. You definitely proved that you have a genius mind. Would you rather? Flower window, sci-fi futuristic window, or a mystery window? A honeycomb window? Would you rather? Kirby refrigerator, Gudetama refrigerator, or a mystery refrigerator? Doraemon refrigerator, it's perfect use of the magic pouch for storage. Choose your gift carefully, dodge the bad one. Did you get lucky or did you get pranked? Would you rather? Creeper lamp, Super Mario lamp, or a mystery lamp? Star Wars lamp, so cool. Would you rather? Mario rug, Hello Kitty rug, or a mystery rug? A very cute minion rug. Spot the odd one out to complete this visual challenge. Well done. You proved that you have excellent observation skills. Would you rather? Cocomelon TV, Hello Kitty TV, or a mystery TV? An adorable Pikachu TV. Would you rather? Detective Conan bookshelf, Harry Potter bookshelf, or a mystery bookshelf? Oh no, it's broken Casper bookshelf. Prove your visual skills and find the 3 differences. Perfect score! Nothing escapes your amazing attention to detail. Would you rather? Forest kitchen, underwater kitchen, or a mystery kitchen? Wow, a luxury gold kitchen. Would you rather? Elsa's crystal staircase, Belle's carpet staircase, or a mystery staircase? So colorful, it's inside-out staircase. Which one is actually real and which are fake? You found it! Give yourself a massive cheer! Would you rather? Plants vs. Zombies garden, Animal Crossing garden, or a mystery garden? No thanks, it's way too dark and creepy to walk through. Would you rather? Baby Shark Water Park, Finding Nemo Water Park, or a mystery water park? Perfect! It's Luca Water Park. Memorize the locations before we hide the cards away. Find the cupcake. You stored that visual information like a true master. Would you rather? Cinderella's balcony, Rapunzel's balcony, or a mystery balcony? Ugh, that vampire castle vibe is way too gloomy. Would you rather? Willy Wonka candy machine, Blackpink ice cream machine, or a mystery machine? Gross! Nobody wants a machine full of rotten, stinky burgers. Select your reward. Just do not pick the dud. Did you get the awesome prize you were hoping for? Would you rather? Transformers washing machine, Fairly Odd Parents washing machine, or a mystery washing machine? Wally washing machine. Oh, will my clothes be clean here? Would you rather? Roomie's house, Hello Kitty house, or a mystery house? Stitch house. Look for the differences and spot the odd one out. Excellent catching. You easily found the item that was out of place. Would you rather? Bluey mailbox, Minecraft chest mailbox, or a mystery mailbox? Magical, having Hedwig deliver the mail is top tier. Would you rather? Bluey toothbrush, Inside Out Joy toothbrush, or a mystery toothbrush? It is Exploded Creeper toothbrush? Can you find 3 differences between these two pictures? You got them perfectly. You have wonderful observation skills. Would you rather Spider-Man swing chair, Super Mario swing chair, or a mystery swing chair? Sonic swing chair. Would you rather Wally trash can, Kirby trash can, or a mystery trash can? Awful, just a dirty, cracked dumpster. I know the right answer. Can you find it? Awesome job! You completely saw right through the fakes. Would you rather Peppa Pig fan, Elsa Frozen fan, or a mystery fan? Irony at its best, a fan that looks like a fire dragon will just heat you up. Would you rather Minion clock, Baymax digital clock, or a mystery clock? SpongeBob SquarePants clock. Memorize the locations before we hide the cards away. Get the car. Incredible job! Your brain is simply wired for perfection. Would you rather Totoro doll, Kung Fu Panda doll, or a mystery doll? Baymax doll, he looks incredibly soft, fluffy, and huggable. Would you rather Super Mario water slide, Stitch water slide, or a mystery water slide? Terrifying, sliding down a dark castle full of bats sounds unsafe. Pick one lucky box, dodge the completely terrible one. Fingers crossed. Did you avoid the awful joke present?
Yay, that's the end of the quiz. Thank you for playing until the end of the quiz. Don't forget to check out my other videos. See you next time, Quackers!